festive, you know. Ho, ho, ho. Hey guys, it's your fave, a blue-haired baddie. Today we are back with another painting. Today we're doing a Christmas painting. I have these little ornaments here and I'm gonna pour some paint onto them, and I'm gonna make a Christmas tree on this painting that I already have. And then I'm gonna try to hang the ornaments to the tree. Do you guys get the vision? Do you see the, I don't know, do you? You'll see. But stay tuned, let's have some fun. Also, if you're watching this video, you need to subscribe to my channel, please, and thank you. Leave a like, leave a comment. Come on guys. Please. All right, let's go, let's have some fun. Okay, so today's color palette, we're gonna make the ornaments red, green, and I have this goldish color, and I don't know, it's called spun gold, but I don't know, it's not really that gold. I'm not too sure. Like, it is gold, right? It is gold, so it is gold, but feel about that? Interesting. Oh, I know I'm gonna have so much problems with them tipping over. Anyway, so I changed the color palette last minute because I was originally gonna do blues and silvers, because blue and silver is the superior Christmas colors than red and green. All of these are coming out so green. So ugh. You know what? I'm working on my mirror, which you guys, I'm so excited. So, and my mirror is gonna be blue and silver. So I was like, you know what? Let me not do blue and silver. Let me just do green and red. Oh, and gold. Okay, these are not looking very, the gold is nowhere to be found. So I got 3 types of green here. And I'm gonna make the Christmas tree. I have no thoughts. Literally, just gonna be vibes. This is gonna be my Christmas tree this Christmas, because I don't remember the last time I've even put up a Christmas tree. Like, your girl is not a festive shorty. I'm not festive. Like, me doing this is being festive. Very festive. But I'm not gonna do Grinch. I think it's a very cute holiday, but I'm not really gonna do much to the tree. I'm wondering, should I blow it out? Should I blow it out? Regrets. That was a big regret. That was a very big regret. That did not help. Oh my goodness. That was a regret. That was a regret. I will not lie to you. That was a big regret. But it's okay. Just calm down. Oh man, no. That was a regret, guys. That was a regret. I feel like there's no going back right now. There is no going back right now. I don't know how to fix this. I just want to leave it like this now because this looks so stupid. How do I fix this? This does not look like a tree anymore. Oh no. Nah, how do I fix this? I'm cheesed. This is why I'm not festive. This is why I'm not festive. I'm joking. No, oh my gosh, so I went through my Snapchat memories and today is actually a year ago. Today was the first album, abstract album cover painting that I did. And it was My Beautiful Dark Twisted Fantasy. Like, wow. Very interesting. So go and watch that video. It's her anniversary of her being birthed. And me started my whole album series. Okay, so these are the results of the ornaments. And this is the tree. Honestly, I don't know, I'm tired. It's late, it's okay. I'm not mad, it's okay. I'll be fine. But like the inside of it is really cool. Very interesting. I wish it had a better shape. Needs one BBL because I'm joking. We're body posy over here. Tree shape, you're beautiful, okay? You were made with love and intent, and that's all that matters. Okay, so here are the ornaments all dried. Here, this one I missed a lot, but we will just turn it around, am I right? But they're pretty cute. This is the tree. Honestly, I'm so silly. I put this outside last night for it to dry because I thought it would dry faster, and I didn't keep it flat, so all the paint kind of migrated to one spot and it's like still wet. And I need to get this video out tomorrow, so I can't wait for it to dry. But basically the vision that I showed you guys, I talked to you guys about in the beginning of the video, was to hang the ornaments like this. But I don't want to hang it while the painting's still wet, or attach them while the painting's still wet, because like obviously that's just gonna be so ugly and it's cause more problems. But basically I was gonna like hang them from there like that. Do you guys see what I was trying to do? This is kind of a fail, but it's okay. I'm just having fun. Maybe I'll execute it better next year with more time. Other than that, this is fun, and thank you so much guys for joining me.